Welcome to Health for Life channel. Subscribe now.
Start eating these 26 foods the moment you notice your vision getting worse. Vitamin A is a nutrient essential for healthy eyesight. It also helps prevent dry eyes, eye inflammation, and nighttime blindness. If you were wondering how much vitamin A you should intake, the RDA for adults is 5,000 IU. The best way to supply your body with this vitamin is through your diet. Try to consume more foods rich in this vitamin. For that purpose, we have 26 foods that are rich in vitamin A. Include them in your daily diet and improve your vision. Vitamin A rich foods. 1. Papaya. This incredible fruit offers 30% of the recommended daily intake of vitamin A. Moreover, it is rich in other vitamins, minerals, and enzymes. 2. Dried marjoram. 100 grams of dried marjoram provides an astonishing 161% of the RDA of vitamin A. 3. Dried apricots. Dried apricots not only supply your body with vitamin A, but they can elevate your energy levels as well. They are packed with other nutrients and antioxidants essential for your body. 4. Mustard greens. A cup of chopped mustard greens offers 100% of the RDA of vitamin A. It also contains vitamin C, vitamin E, fiber, folic acid, calcium, and manganese. 5. Peas. Half a cup of peas has 134% of the RDA of vitamin A. Peas also contain vitamin B, vitamin C, and vitamin K. They are also low in calories, only 62. 6. Red pepper. Including a tablespoon of red pepper to your daily diet gives you 42% of the RDA of vitamin A. 7. Kale. Kale is an excellent source of vitamin A. Only 1 cup offers twice the needed amount of the RDA of vitamin A. 8. Dandelion greens. Dandelion greens supply your body with 100% of the RDA of vitamin A. They are also packed with other essential nutrients, including antioxidants, calcium, and iodine. 9. Paprika. Not only it contains vitamin C, calcium, and potassium, but this incredible spice offers 70% of the RDA of vitamin A. 10. Dried basil. 100 grams of dried basil offer 15% of the RDA of vitamin A. 11. Butternut squash. This fruit contains beta-carotene, which is converted into vitamin A with digestion. In fact, 1 cup of butternut squash offers 400% of the RDA of vitamin A. It is worth mentioning that it contains other nutrients like potassium, fiber, and vitamin C. 12. Carrots. Only 1 carrot supplies your body with twice more than the needed RDA of vitamin A. It also offers vitamin B, vitamin C, vitamin K, fiber, and magnesium. 13. Whole milk. Not only it has a rich taste, but this milk is rich in many nutrients as well. It is a great source of protein, magnesium, calcium, vitamin A, and vitamin D. 14. Fortified oatmeal. 1 cup of fortified oatmeal offers 29% of the RDA of vitamin A. 15. Turnip greens. This leafy green vegetable is high in nutrients, including vitamin A. It is low in calories as well. 16. Spinach. Spinach is definitely one of the healthiest vegetables ever. It is rich in vitamin A, vitamin C, vitamin K, iron, calcium, and manganese. 17. Mango. Mango has a high nutritional value. It supplies your body with 36% of the RDA of vitamin A. 18. Turkey liver. Only 100 grams of turkey liver has 1,507% of the RDA of vitamin A. 19. Cod liver oil. Cod liver oil is abundant in vitamin A, vitamin D, and omega-3 fatty acids. It is available in capsule and liquid form. 20. Red bell pepper. Red bell peppers are rich in vitamin A, vitamin C, and lycopene. They are very versatile, so you can add them in various meals. 21. Sweet potato. A medium-sized sweet potato offers 438% of the RDA of vitamin A. The best thing is that it has only 103 calories. 22. Peach. Peach offers 10% of the RDA of vitamin A. It is also packed with calcium, magnesium, potassium, phosphorus, and iron. 23. Iceberg lettuce. A cup of iceberg lettuce is excellent source of vitamin A. It is low in calories, so it is perfect for those who want a healthy meal. 24. Beef liver. This meat is rich in vitamins A and C. 100 grams of beef liver supply your body with 300% of the RDA of vitamin A. Beef liver is especially beneficial for those suffering from anemia. 25. Cantaloupe. Not only it supplies your body with 120% of the recommended daily intake of vitamin A, but one wedge of cantaloupe offers other essential nutrients as well. It is low in calories and fat, and is recommended for individuals who want to lose weight. 26. Tomatoes. Tomato is low in calories. It is an excellent source of vitamin A, vitamin C, and lycopene. Moreover, it offers 20% of the recommended daily intake of vitamin A.